Good morning and welcome to another episode with A Guy and His Projects. Today, we gotta remove some stupid T-posts, man. I'm here in the greater Phoenix area, and for any of you that are familiar with the ground, it is non-forgiving, very hard, and pain in the butt. So we sank in some T-posts, had a little temporary fence going. We've made it a little bit more permanent. So we gotta get rid of this temporary crap. Okay, best way to do that, have somebody else do it. That's not an option, man. So if you're going to do it, there's a few ways to do it. You can use a hydraulic jack, a floor jack, tie a chain to it. I've seen somebody on YouTube do that. I thought that was genius and great. But today I'm going to be using a high lift jack or farm jack, depending on where you're from and what you want to call it. A piece of chain, and yeah, that's really it. And it's going to come out smooth as butter. That's saying, when you look at this, it's super loose. That's because I've been playing with it, and then the top of the ground right here gets all loose. But it's still sunk in there. It ain't coming up. Yeah, it's stuck. It don't even budge when you try to go vertical. So that's what the high lift jack's for. Stay tuned. The way we're going to work this farm jack is we just hooked a little carabiner in there. You grab your chain, and you're going to drop this down a little ways. Not all the way, because it just makes it hard to work with if it's on the ground. And then take your chain, take the small end, put your nose up against the T-post. Try and keep the jack straight up. And you're just going to slide your chain. You're going to wrap it twice. This is not rocket science. Don't overthink it. Okay. Once you got two wraps, you're just going to take your extra chain, put it in this carabiner. So once you got it set in place, you've got your two lengths of chain, two wraps of chain. That's going to tighten up here momentarily. Extra chain out of the way, who gives a crap. You're just going to take your foot, put it against the back of this. That's just to keep it from sliding out. And then you're just going to pump the jack a few times up, just like so. It's got some pressure in it. We're going to back the camera up. So now you just let the jack do the work from here. I can do this. This is usually how I'm most comfortable. Yeah, you just pump it up. Like that. Stupid Arizona dirt's got nothing on a high lift jack. There she be. Not free. Maybe. There we go. Easy peasy. Okay, so this was our temporary or our permanent fix. Just finished putting that up yesterday. Should keep this dog and that one way over there from getting out. They're both around 100 pounds, give or take. Only problem is I didn't have any fencing staples, so temporarily I got some screws and washers just to put it up because I was excited to get it up. I ordered the staples yesterday, so should get them today. We welded this gate together. Turned out really nice, actually. We just tack welded all the fencing panel on there. Probably can't see, it's all black, but just tack welded the fence in there. Welded the rest of this out of 1x1 by 16 gauge tubing. And yeah, works out pretty good. So anyway, just wanted to throw that up there real quick. It's a super easy thing to do, but if you've never pulled a T-post out of the ground before and you try to do it with your bare might and it worked, good job, man. And it didn't, Go pick up a high lift jack. A lot of people have them anyway for their 4x4s when they get stuck out in the mud and rocks and whatnot. They're pretty cheap at Tractor Supply, Shoppers, whoever sells them, I don't know. Probably Amazon too. So worthwhile investment for many applications. It can also be used as a winch. I mean, come along, can be used for a few different things. So if you don't have one, why not check one out? If you don't have a high lift jack, but you do have a floor jack, a hydraulic floor jack for your cars, principle works the exact same. I've never tried it, but I have watched a video or two, just like you're doing right now, and it works great. You do the exact same thing, it's just a slightly different apparatus. So yeah, if you liked what you saw, make sure you give me a thumbs up so that I know that you liked it. Leave a comment down below if you have questions or comments or compliments, and hit that subscribe button. That's the most important thing. So I appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next time. Adios.